So previous what we discussed, how to create the LinkedIn profile and the LinkedIn company page. Now I'm discuss how to increase the LinkedIn company page to promote and how to increase the followers. I'm not using any kind of paid ads. I'm using for organic method. So how do we can reach the our LinkedIn company page to the audience? How to increase the followers? First of all, any company page, whatever your page designed by, is a username or brand name or keyword name. First will be post more important. Post will be more important. First of all, selecting for your blogs, any content you can share it. Copy and post it. What are the you can promoting for every link we can promote by your particular page. Here same will be profile and the company will be same. Only one option will be different. That is called adding for articles. Your profile will be writing a article. The article will not accept by which one? In these things. So you cannot display your post in this child link. So link is the problem. Just I'll try for the link is not working. I can try for another option will be we can use also. So now is I'm using for only for this link. I'm facing this problem. Just in this one, I can use quickly image and copy the image. Next, image. Compulsory. What is the page name? You can use hashtag compulsory. Topic will be digital marketing. First, compulsory using for this. Done. Now, click for post. Hashtag compulsory use for the trending purpose. Use this one. Use this one option. Now you can posting for here. First, what are the content you're writing for here? Just paste it on the notepad. Now, select here. What is that? Copy link to post. This is organic method. Here, what we call by option only for like, comment, and share. Now click for share, where you can go for anyone, target audience, and advanced settings. Here, no option will be there. Only we're using share, anyone, and target audience. Only two options. Same. Copy link to post. Go to profile. Select it. Showing. Here you can sharing by. Here all your profiles along with your group option. Here anyone plus Twitter, your connection only, and your group members. How many groups you have? Every group we can sending, but one group we can sending for one person only, one time only. So the group is 100 members are there. They reach by 100 members. The group is 1 lakh members are there. The group will reaching for 1 lakh members. So this is the option for the profile. When I'm using company page, here I'm sharing for this option only anyone, target audience, advanced settings. Only for this option. Now, target audience, language, regional, job function, ad location, ad university, company size, ad seniority, and industry, and apply it. But they can't display by the groups. Groups display by where? Your profile only. That is called what we can do. Then selecting for copy link to post. Copy link to post. Where you can post here. Where I'm targeting for first anyone plus Twitter. First my target is anyone plus Twitter. Select it. What are the rating for total hashtags? Use. Remove the link. Don't use any links. Here two advantages. Here two advantages. One is called increasing for your LinkedIn company followers. Second thing is called to engage your profile connections. Third one, click the website traffic. Three benefits. One is profile connection will be increased. Second will be based on increasing for LinkedIn page followers. Third one, generating for website traffic. So here. So I'm using for follower. Finally, what we call by here. Which one is showing things? We're writing for here. Post. The reach by a particular option for here. The benefit for followers. Here one option is there. Why not showing for follow option? Is already my page. Is already my page. We already follow this page. If we follow will be not done. They're showing for follow button here. I show you the sample one. How to show you the customer will be follow button. Just to follow the page to show to the customers. Anyone, when publishing anyone, the compulsory we can use by the follow button here. That mean by the increasing by your company page followers. They complete here. Already I'm following. So they're not showing for follow button. If I'm showing for I'm not follow, the showing for follow button will be here. Three benefit. Profile follows, profile connection will be increased. Add friends. Linking company page, follows increase. Third one, click it. Website traffic. Three benefits. Profile connections. Linking company page, follows increase. Engagement will be done. Third one, generating for website traffic. Three benefits will give by the to promote the LinkedIn company page. This is an organic method. We not use any kind of paid marketing. Just using the company page, we can use any post. Which one using for copy link to post and shared by your profile by connections, connection with the Twitter, public only, and your groups also. If you're sharing this group only, now here what are the parameters are that copy. Hashtag compulsory important. Website is open. Now coming to this. Sharing only not only one task or two tasks. There are multiple options. The options are we can create by the anyone plus Twitter connection only group setting. Group member, which member is going for? Select it. Post it. How many groups you have? You can join all groups and post the all group. But link it to share by in a particular group only for one time. You share it only for particular one group. No need to go for individual groups. You can share easily by using company option. Then mean by to engage your company page followers, which is more effective. Public, your connections, connection plus Twitter, and your group option. Is a four method for sharing content for the LinkedIn company page information. What are the priority? Profile connection increase, company page engage and followers increase. Final one is website traffic will be increase. This will be compulsory note on the particular LinkedIn option.